Sleep really good? Yes, ma'am.
Celebrating local Gullah history, some students at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts took part in a virtual assembly with Aunt Pearlie Sue, a master storyteller.
Well, hey, everybody!
In celebration of Black History Month, all this week, the school is hosting a COVID-19 friendly interactive Gullah Festival. Students will be taking part in several educational activities as they learn about Gullah culture.
3rd and 4th grade students, they'll be making sweetgrass bracelets with Gullah artisans. And our 4th grade will be doing a STEAM activity, making Gullah tabby houses out of different materials. And our 5th grade will have an art workshop with Amiri Ferris, a local artist.
Anita Singleton Prather, also known as Aunt Pearlie Sue, is a Beaufort native. She told 1st and 2nd graders a fun story over Zoom about how to make gumbo using a special ingredient.
And when I put that love in that pot,
the most important ingredient in a recipe is love. She talked about how everyone is different and to love people who are different. It doesn't matter what skin color you are, just love others.
Because you want to be nice to people and make a lot of friends. And that's how you be very, very kind.
This is the 2nd year the school has hosted the Gullah Festival.
The Gullah history is very deeply embedded in the history of Hilton Head Island, so it's a local connection with our students and our community. And all of the activities that we're doing this week are in accordance with African American History Month, and we're teaching the children not just the history, but the concepts of love and acceptance.
The activities for the Gullah Festival are being funded through a grant by the Arts Center of Coastal Carolina. At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
I'm going to go. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to get a sneak.